Hi everyone, I'm Anton Martin. I'm a Microsoft MVP in software development and software architect. I've spent my career working with .NET and building all sorts of scalable applications. And of course, I used a lot of SQL Server databases. Recently, I ran into a pretty annoying problem. One of my MS SQL Server databases got corrupted because of a disk error. If you ever had a corrupted database, you know it's a headache. That's where Stellar Repair from MS SQL saved my day. It's an amazing tool. It's super easy to install and to use. You basically just pick your database, choose a couple of options, and depending on the size of your data, you can have a fully recovered database in just a few seconds or minutes. What I love is that it not only fixes your main database files, your MDF files, but it can also repair your backup files, which can also get corrupted. It recovers tables, data, triggers, views, stored procedures, basically all your database objects. So if you ever find yourself dealing with a corrupted MS SQL database, I highly recommend giving a try to Stellar Repair for MS SQL Server. It's an amazing tool and it made my life easier.